Hello friends. Welcome to Talent Crafts.
This is car door lock actuator. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is central door lock actuator, having 5 wires. These are side door lock actuators, having only 2 wires. Green is positive wire and blue is negative wire. Green is connected with external black wire and blue is connected to external red wire. Join all red wire together and join all black wire together also. Take one 12-volt, 10-ampere battery to operate these all door lock actuators. Look very carefully. Door lock actuators are open and close with the help of battery supply. This is a relay circuit to connect these all door lock actuators with Arduino Uno board. Here, we are using one Bluetooth module in this project, because we will operate car door by our smartphone. Set your smartphone configuration with Bluetooth module. Here, you can see, door lock actuators are working. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Kindly subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on bell icon, so that you can get notification of our new updated video, always. Take care friends. We will back soon, with new type of project. Hope you enjoy this video. Keep in touch.